What's up, guys? JitteryJay here. Welcome to the channel. Hope everybody's having a great day so far. Up next, we have Seagulls. Stop it now. This is a bad lip reading of The Empire Strikes Back. This one goes along with the one I did before. It was, what was it? My Stick, I think. Anyway, before we get started, we're going to hit the like and subscribe on the original video. That's the important part. This should support everywhere we go. Links will be in the description below, so you can do the same if you wish. I would appreciate it very much if you hit like and subscribe on this video. It goes a long way towards supporting the channel and helping it grow. And let's turn this on. And let's jump into this. Check it out.
Penny for your thoughts.
I hate Brenda, and a bad guy hit me in the shin, and I peed all on my pants.
It's nothing a little music can't help. Rockin', rockin' and rollin'. Down to the beach I'm strolling. But the seagulls poke at my head, not fun. I said, seagulls, stop it now. Seagulls gonna come, poke me in the coconut, and they did, and they did, had me going like,
This is great.
Nothing I could do but yell when these birds attacked me. When I tried to run, I fell, and then these kids started laughing, and then got hit in the neck with a hacky sack. Where'd it come from?
Oh, it's perfect. Oh my god, it's perfect. Cause oh shit, it's perfect because Yoda doesn't really have lips, so all his mouth has to do is open and close, and at the right times, and you fit the words in there where you need to. But still, this is absolutely hilarious. Seagulls are gonna come poke me in the coconut, and they did, and they did.
From now run, 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 jump. I can be a backpack while you run, 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 jump and stop. Put me down. I love to groove and boogie. Yeah.
Great.
Show you some dance moves.
No, I don't want you to.
If I had your giant feet out there on the beach, could have outrun those birds.
You're a psycho wiener.
Let me grab my beater.
Stop it, please. Don't hit me. Please. Don't hit me.
Come on, man, quit that banging.
Hey, what's that stank?
You put a fish in our basket.
Oh, yeah. I forgot I did that.
You owe me an apology.
Just hold your breath and see when the time is right. Birds will back your face. Now run, 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 jump. I can be your backpack while you run. Swing from a hairy vine. I can be your backpack while you climb. Stand on one hand and lift rocks with your special gift. Run, 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 jump. Now breathe. That's good. Like that. Like that. One day I was walking and I found this big log.
He said, "Yeah, like that, like that." Oh god, I needed this. Oh, I dozed off after that last video I did, and I'm late now. Cause I gotta get this one out, and then I gotta do my JitteryJay video, and yeah, it's already 11:30. This is freaking great. This is great.
Like that. One day I was walking and I found this big log. Then I rolled the teeth was a tiny little stick. And I was like, that log had a child. Listen, boy, someday when you are older, you could get hit by a boulder while you're lying there screaming, come help me, please. The seagulls poke your knees. Stop it now.
Yeah, whatever. You're sort of pitchy.
Didn't like it?
Listen, man, I'm not your friend.
Don't fall asleep.
Okay.
Fall asleep.
This is great. Really got a bunch of them.
Stop it now.
Yeah, they have a bunch of the bunch. 1 second. As I was trying to say, they have a bunch of them, a bunch of these that are centered around Star Wars. I found that out when I was looking for this one. Anyway, I will have to get into more of those later. You guys will have to let me know in the comments what you thought about this one. I thought it was absolutely hilarious myself. Let me know what else I can find. I can check out. I will get there as soon as I possibly can. If you are still here and haven't done so yet, please hit the like and subscribe button before you go. It goes a long way before towards building the channel up, and it really makes my day. That being said, that is just about going to do it for this video. It is off to the next one for me. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this with me, and I hope to see you on the next video. I love you guys. Peace. Hey guys, make sure to check out one of my other videos right here at JitteryJay.